Alright guys, check this out. This is a custom fitted vampire grill set that we just had done for a customer. This one here is 925 solid sterling silver. And it goes on the canine teeth. You can see they're nice and pointy vampire style. Now here's the back side. You got your back bar connecting the two canine fangs together. Okay, and these are handmade for a perfect fit, guys. Check that out. Available on our website, blingcartel.com. Handmade work for a perfect fit. Check us out, guys. blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.